In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Zamzar, okay, an all-in-one file converter that you can convert your videos, your images, your sounds, different kind of formats, or about 1,100 plus formats are supported. So this can be done online without you even downloading any software to use on the PC. So accessing it is very easy. You can just come to zamzar.com and to the Windows shell, and then you can go ahead and choose a file that you want to convert, whether from your system or from any of these sources. And then it's going to convert, or you select the format that you want it to convert to, and then from there you can be able to know those tools to convert. Okay, so let's start with a simple file. For example, let's say purchase from the system. Let's say I have this image. I can just click on open, and it's up. Actually, push PD. Just so it has some imported it. So I want to kind of convert it. Just see the format, and then in case in the first place it is in JPEG, is in PNG format. So I need to convert it to JPEG, for example, and I can just go ahead and convert it to JPEG. So you can see we have the option to resize it if we want to resize. It uses sizing. Well, I'll enter to the default. We have the option also to rotate it using any of these rotation and loop, and then we can change some key features of the share. If you want to do it, we can do that step. So I don't want to be done with this, and I can just go ahead. File style warning, they can just go ahead. Okay, so the limitation is 1.4 per file, 1 megabyte per file size. So let me choose something that is like this one is 69 kilobytes. I can just import it, and then this is in JPEG. I want to convert it to PNG. I can just go ahead and keep everything on default and go ahead and save convert. If you see right now, it's just being converted to PNG, and you can go ahead and download it, and you can see it's just being downloaded in PNG form. So this is Zamzar. You just go ahead and try it. You have option to convert 2 items per day. Okay? At the free plan, you want to continue within the next video. Other basic plan for this guys, you can deploy tablet response. If you found this helpful, please leave one